Travis with UTV Window Tint. Today showing you this Ranger 1500. This is a 2024 model, two-door. We just finished our window tint install kit on this machine. Customer went with ceramic 20% on the fronts and back, and then 50% on the full windshield. We got our hands on this machine. It took us about an hour to an hour and a half to install the tint. On this machine, it's a very easy install. Simply just removing this bottom gasket will allow you to easily tint the window. The gaskets on the sides are very forgiving on this machine. So on the back, the only thing I would say about the back window that could be tricky is there's 4 bolts that hold the roof down. You'll just have to remove those 4 bolts, lift this up a little bit, have a friend help guide this window out. But as far as cutouts go, this is a very easy machine. The lock and ride's very forgiving up here compared to the Ranger 1000s. So this is actually forgiving. The bolts are actually in the dot matrix down here, so you don't have to go around anything. So that's awesome. Let's take a look at the windshield of the machine. The windshield on these Ranger 1500s is equipped with a wiper up top. On here, there's a nice cutout for the film to go, and it's equipped with a pop-out. There's a handle on the inside. You do have your mounts to the glass for your struts also. So this is an easy machine to tint around. Let's go on the inside. I'll show you that. So again, you can see how nice this fits on the inside of the machine. You have your 2 strut mounts. You have this handle here to open and close your window. And then you have the wiper motor surround. Overall, I really like this machine. This is probably one of my favorite machines. I like how big the Ranger 1500s are. If you haven't seen a Ranger 1500 in person, they are a very big machine compared to other machines on the market. I like the build quality. I like how simple they are. I think some of these do come with the trail route. This guy uses it on a farm. He just wanted the heat rejection of the machine or of the window tint for his AC to work better, and we gave him that. Other than that, you can see the lock and ride mechanisms up here in the back and kind of how they work. They just pivot 90 degrees. So if you guys are looking for pre-cut window tint kits, shop UtvWindowTint.com, and that's an overview of a quick rundown. We do have a full installation video on our YouTube channel on how to actually tint this machine. So we'll see you there.